With foodie culture on the rise in the Palm Beaches, many are leaving fine dining and white linen tablecloths behind for adventurous new flavors. A great example of that is here at Cholo Soy Cocina. They're serving up an updated version of Latin street food. And most days you'll find a Food Network champion rolling handmade tortillas in the kitchen. I can't wait to meet him. Before we start anything, I have a question for you. How does a guy with a name that sounds like you should have a top 10 hit on a country station get into Latin food?
But the second I got back from culinary school and working and studying in Italy, I met my beautiful wife.
I was a girl. That's
always
how it
there,
happened.
right?
Okay.
And she's from Ecuador, so you know, I had to like drop the Italian, learn Spanish 100%.
I'm gonna roll up my sleeves here.
Yeah, roll them up. We're gonna make cholo sauce.
Okay.
Cholo sauce is like our special sauce, right? And you know, all I wanted to do is make a spicy mayo that wasn't so much like Asian influence, that had more of a Latin influence.
Right.
So, of course, you know, a bunch of mayonnaise, super healthy. Ají amarillo paste.
Right.
So instead of like sriracha sauce or something, ají amarillo and passion fruit puree. So our secret sauce has just been unveiled. We're going in.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah. The calorie count on this.
What do you put in your tacos?
You know, we just kind of use the fresh tortilla that we make from scratch. We grind the corn every day. That's like our little plate. And everybody kind of likes to tease me about this, but it's true. Prime beef, we've got pork belly, we've got tempura fish, so I drew that influence from somewhere else.
What's my signature thing? You come in here and you say, I can only taste one thing in my restaurant.
Pork belly taco. First step, always here, well, mostly here, is the fresh tortilla. To show this,
bam,
too hot to handle. I got my pork belly crisping up here on the griddle. Yeah, this is really nice Duroc pork.
Oh wow, like a full-on.
Yeah, super high quality ingredients. Yeah, not just chopped up, whatever. So we take everything like I would in like the fine dining atmosphere, and I just bring it down so you can understand it and put it on a plate.
I understand so far.
So we should probably cheers, right?
Yeah, let's do that.
Here, chin chin. There you go.
Cheers to you. Wow. Yeah, this is fantastic.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Yeah.